In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales targets in Odoo. If you want to track how your sales team is performing and make sure everyone is working toward a clear monthly goal, Odoo gives you a simple way to do that directly inside the Sales app. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to create or update a sales team, assign the right people, and define a monthly invoicing target that you can later monitor through Odoo's reporting tools. To begin, open the Sales app from your Odoo dashboard. Once you're inside, go to the Configuration menu, then select Sales Teams. This is where you manage the different teams responsible for sales activity in your system. From here, you have two options. If you need to create a brand new team, click New. If the team already exists and you just want to add a target, simply open that existing sales team record. Both approaches will take you to the same kind of setup screen. Next, enter the sales team name. Make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize, especially if your company has multiple teams working in different regions, product lines, or markets. A well-labeled team makes reporting much easier later on. Under Team Details, choose the team leader if needed. This is useful if you want one person to be clearly associated with the team for management and oversight. It also helps keep responsibilities organized as the team grows. Now look for the invoicing target field. This is the key part of the setup. In this field, enter the team's desired monthly invoicing target. For example, if you want the team to aim for 50,000 per month, enter 50,000. This value represents the monthly invoiced amount the team should work toward. So it's important to use a realistic and meaningful target based on your business goals. After that, go to the Members tab, click Add Salespersons and include the salespeople who belong to this team. This ensures the right users are connected to the target and that team performance can be tracked accurately. Taking a moment to verify that all team members are included will help avoid incomplete reporting later. Once everything looks correct, save the sales team. That completes the setup. From there, you can use Odoo Sales Reporting or Dashboard to monitor the team's invoice performance against its monthly target. This gives you a practical way to compare actual results with the goal you've set and helps managers make better decisions based on current performance. Thanks for watching.